This Berkshire Hathaway Home Services RW Towne Realty property video is presented by Shannon Orabello. Investor special with minimal workhouse is being sold as is, where is. No repairs or clean out will be completed. Cash only. Home was renovated in 2018. 4-bedroom, 2-bath ranch-style home. Open floor plan. Kitchen with granite countertops, newer cabinets, stainless steel appliances to include stove and dishwasher, spacious rooms, and large fenced backyard. Great investment property to rehab and flip or add to your rental portfolio, as well as first-time home buyers wanting to put in a little sweat equity. Property needs some repairs, etc., but is in good condition. December 16, 2024. For more information, review the details below or contact Shannon Orabello at 757-935-9000.